Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So recently I came across this bag of date sugar and I was super curious. Date sugar can be a substitute for cane sugar, and it says on the back that date sugar does not dissolve well in beverages but is perfect for baking. And it actually gives a recipe on the back of the package for chocolate chip cookies. So that's what I'm going to be making today, and I am super excited to try them and to show you guys what they look like, and I'll let you know what I think about how they taste, just in case you're interested. Now, I have seen date sugar. After I bought this, I've been seeing it in the stores. So if you are interested, I'm sure you could probably find it in your grocery store or a healthy food market. Anyway, we've got to get started, so hang with me today because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so you will need 1.5 sticks of butter, just 3/4 of a cup. But you could also use coconut oil. And to that, 1.5 of a cup of the date sugar. All right, I'm going to blend this together until it's creamy. All right, then add 2 eggs and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, I am going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. And it also says on the back of the package, when you use date sugar, you decrease the amount of flour called for in a recipe by 25%. So then add 1 cup of oat flour, 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And then I'm just going to give a pinch of salt. All right. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Then I'm just taking my cookie scoop and I'm dropping some dough onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. I don't know if I need to do this or not, but I'm just going to kind of mash them down just a little bit. All right, then bake in a 350-degree oven for 12 minutes. So my date sugar chocolate chip cookies are all done, and I am so excited to try them. But first, I want to give you an up-close look at these cookies. All right, so now it is the moment of truth. Wow. They taste just like a oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. They are so, so good. They're so sweet. And you really cannot even tell that it is date sugar, not regular cane sugar. And I followed the recipe on the back of the package exactly. But I am curious to know what they would be like if I used all-purpose flour instead of the oat flour. So I may have to make another batch. And in case you're wondering why I use date sugar instead of regular sugar, it's because date sugar has more nutrients. It contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, phosphorus. It's just a little bit of a healthier option. And believe me, these cookies are delicious. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing just how to make these wonderful cookies. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.